Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set up shipping for your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can be sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead to the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your Shopify account. And after logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the main page of your Shopify store, where you can see all the sections that you can use for managing your store at the left side of the screen, such as the home section, orders, products, and so on. So guys, the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and set up shipping rates for our product. So we're going to go ahead and do that by clicking the search option on the top of the screen and searching for shipping. After clicking shipping guys, now we want to go ahead and open up this option right here where we can choose how much we want to ship. And now guys, this will take us to this page where we can set up our rates. We can either set custom rates for some products or we can just set our general rates. Let's go ahead and open up that guys, and this will take us to this new page where we can set our shipping rates. As you can see, we have our domestic zone for our country. We can select what country that is. We can select the price, if it's free or whatever. And here, if we scroll down, we can find an international option where we have countries that aren't in our domestic zone, and here we can set whatever price we want. As you can see, United Arab Emirates, Australia, Austria, and so on. And now guys, we can even go ahead and add custom rates by clicking the add rate button right here. We can add any country that we want, maybe USA, maybe we want to add Canada. We can select what price we want, let's say 500. And after selecting how much we want to add and make the rate, guys, go ahead and click on the done option right here. As you can see, you'll successfully create the new rate right here that people will be able to see when ordering products. So guys, go ahead and save it in the upper right corner. And now when you're going ahead and creating a product, guys, or even if you have current products, this will apply to them. As you can see, when going to go ahead and adding a product, you'll see that you'll be able to add shipping right here, and they will be able to see those shipping options. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.